Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if that is something you're looking for, you have found it, and you should subscribe. If you're subscribed, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you're back. Today I have a quick Amazon wig haul. All these wigs are under $25. So let's just get to it. Let me move my big old basket. Okay, the first one I have is from AZ. I think it's AZ. This is actually a PR wig they sent me, and I have collabed with them in the past. Comes in this package. It says that it is, Aussie Queens long curly wig, brown highlight wig, 26 inches. It was $23.99. It comes with recap, a little thank you card thing, and this is her. It feels really good. It's really pretty. It has, this is what would be called a lace parting. So there's a little bit of lace in the front here, but this is a lace parting wig. It does have a lace and skin top parting. I like lace parts, so that's fine. So I will be doing, actually I'm going to set this out because I'm going to be doing a review on this probably when I'm done with this. So that's her. She's super pretty though. Giving me a chocolate peanut butter thing. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, next up we have one from Charisma. This is also, is this a PR wig? No, this is not a PR wig. I have tons of wigs from Charisma. I do get PR from them, but I also, they were some of the first wigs I ever got. This is ombre ashy wig with side bangs, $22.99. You get all this on Amazon. It comes with a little card that says, when in doubt, wig out. Meow. And it comes with a wig cap. I try to send a wig cap out when I send out my wigs, the ones I sell on Poshmark. This is a full cap wig. Oh, the color is so pretty. It says it's ashy. It says ombre ashy. I'd say it's more warm tone, like a caramel. It's more of a caramel than like an ash, but it's super gorgeous. So I got this one. Ooh. Next we have one, and this is from, Lidl. I've been wanting to try this company. I've not tried them before. This one was $22.99. No wig cap. Yeah, it's saying the style number is HWG 1058, and the color is 8/25. And oh yeah, this is an ashy situation for sure. I just love this. Oh, look at that style. I know this is going to look cute. It may look janky, but it's going to look cute. Definitely a non-textured multicultural option. Faux show. So that's her. This is a PR wig from Charisma. I didn't write that. I always write down everything. I didn't write it down. I'm going to write it down with eyeliner. Okay, so this is a PR wig from Charisma. This is their headband wig. I am actually doing this as a collaboration, so you'll see that coming up. Oh my gosh, so cute. Comes with 2 wig caps, and it comes with this little like care card thing, and it comes with 3 headbands. Ooh, these are cute. Little leopard print, although I don't like animal print, but that's fine. A cute yellow. I'm obsessed with yellow. This is a yellow print one, and then it comes with just a regular plain yellow one, which I absolutely love. And I feel like it's just it's in the color number 2. Did I say it was $25.99? I probably did. Okay, all right. So it looks like this. This is giving me, it feels like bathing suit material. Okay. Light yaki texture, actually. It does look a little bit shiny, but it's not. It says it's just a plain 2, but I do see some dimension in the light. I'm excited about this one. So you're going to see this one soon because I do have a collab coming up. Last but not least, I got this. I'm not sure what the company was. This is a winter beanie hat. I'm like obsessed with this one. So like I'm getting all these like hat wigs. This one is from Vivica A. Fox. But this one is like a winter beanie hat one. And it was $24.99. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh wow. The construction's very, very interesting. It's got like a stretchiness here and here. Can you tighten it? Oh, I'm freaking. So this is Velcro. This hair Velcros onto the back. So you can adjust it. Oh my gosh. I live in the frozen tundra, so I cannot wait to try this. It is definitely like a number, I'd say it's more a number 6 actually. It just says medium brown, but it's definitely like a number 6-ish. So I'm so excited about that. I'm actually probably going to review that next. Anyway, so that's what I have for you for this quick wig haul. If there's anything in here you'd like to see sooner rather than later, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!